Good day, sir. My name is Eric Lunes Hernandez from 2 Alpha. This is my reaction video, the video I watched. First is the death sentence is issued in the case involving the poisoning of a Netflix executive producer. Underscores the seriousness of such crimes. It shows that no one, not even those with fame, power, or prestige in the entertainment industry, is immune to calculated violence. This reminds us that behind the glamour of showbiz, there are also dark realities, and when a crime like this occurs, justice must be served with full weight regardless of a social status of the individuals involved. Next is the result, the insulin poisoning case, in a grim reminder that substances meant for healing can be turned into weapons of harm. Insulin, commonly used by diabetic patients, is readily available in hospitals and clinics, but in the wrong hands, it becomes a silent yet deadly tool. This case emphasizes the importance of strict regulation and careful monitoring of medical substances, especially those that can be misused. The medical system must be ensured that those drugs with access to such drugs are held accountable because lives are literally at stake. Next is the assassination of Alexander Litvinenko is a powerful example of how poison is weaponized in secret operation amid geopolitical tension. Using polonium-210, a radioactive substance. His death was not just personal crime, it was a political statement. That meticulous investigation that followed offered a chilling look into the dangerous and sophisticated world of international espionage. This case is not merely about murder, it reflects the hidden battles behind the diplomacy and national interest, where silence and subconsciously can kill. Next is the concept of the perfect poison is both intellectually intriguing and deeply disturbing. Imagine substances capable of killing with almost no trace, undetectable by standard tests, leaving investigator with little to work little to work with. Throughout history, many cases have involved such toxins cleverly used and often nearly impossible to detect without deep forensic analysis. This highlights the importance of the constant advancement in forensic sciences. Ordinary tools aren't enough in such cases. Investigators Investigators need sharper, more specialized method to uncover the truth, seemingly unsolvable crimes. Next is the Moore's case, highlight the limitations of modern medicine, especially where it comes to diagnosing rare or complex condition. Despite today advanced tools and medical knowledge, there are still illness that elude immediate identification, that that delaying proper treatment. Sadly, there are patients like Reverne Moore who suffer because the root cause of her condition cannot be quickly found. This underscores the urgent need to continue research, innovations, and diagnostic tools, and a deeper understanding of rare diseases in the field of medical. Then the last is, it is the alarming that the Manila Police District prematurely declared the case closed, even though the PNP Crime Laboratory has not yet completed its examination and released conclusive results, such as move can be mislead on the public, and More important, abstract, the path through justice is in sensitive cases where foul play is suspected. The investigation must be detailed, deliberate, and fully. Evidences based rushing to close case are just to say it's done. Undermines the integrity of our justice system. This is where this is where we see how much value is truly placed on the truth and due process. That's all, sir. Thank you po.